I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Today function in Microsoft Excel. This function is incredibly useful because it always returns the current date, and you can use it in lots of different ways. Step 1. Insert today's date. If I type in the formula equals today, open bracket, close bracket, and then press enter, Excel gives me today's date. The best part is, if I open this spreadsheet tomorrow, that formula will automatically update and show tomorrow's date. Step 2. Calculate days until due date. Let's say I have a list of invoices with due dates, and I want to know how many days are left until each one is due. In the cell next to the due date, I can write equals the due date cell minus today, open bracket, close bracket. Press enter and Excel gives me the number of days remaining. Now, it might look like a date at first, so just change the formatting to general or number. Then copy the formula down the column, and you'll see the days left for each invoice. If the number comes out negative, that means the invoice is overdue. Step 3. Highlight overdue dates with conditional formatting. We can also use today inside conditional formatting. For example, let's highlight all the due dates that are in the past. Select the column of due dates. Go to Conditional Formatting, highlight Cell Rules, less than. In the box, type equals today, open bracket, close bracket. Click OK. Now every overdue date is highlighted, making it really easy to see which invoices need attention. Step 4. Use today in an if statement. Another powerful use of the today function is inside an if formula. Let's say I want Excel to display the word overdue if a date has already passed, or OK if it's still in the future. Here's the formula. Equals if, open bracket, due date cell, less than today, open bracket, close bracket, comma, in quotes overdue, comma, in quotes OK, close bracket. When I press enter, Excel checks the date. If it's before today, it shows overdue. If not, it shows OK. Copy that formula down, and now every invoice is clearly marked as overdue or OK. Final tip. The beauty of the Today function is that it updates automatically. If I open this spreadsheet tomorrow, all the results, the conditional formatting, and even the if statements will refresh based on the new current date. That's what makes the Today function one of the most practical functions in Excel. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post more Excel tips.